guys, it's Scarlett at Build a Cross, and I'm going to paint this paint kit for you guys today. It's a little cross with these polka dots and flowers on it. Super cute. I'm going to go in first with the blue that's provided, and this kit will include your paint, your cutout, your paint brushes, and your Sharpie brush stroke marker. And it does include the apple barrel paint, and this is the turquoise color. I'm just going in and filling in my cross, excluding all the details that are on it. And I'm using a number 12, but you may want to swap out for something a little bit smaller whenever you get closer to these details, if that makes you feel more comfortable. But I do find that the number 12 works fine. And on this part, if you get out of the lines a little bit, it's no problem because you're going to go back in and fill in a lot of this with paint later. And then I'm just going to go in next with a lighter blue. And that's when I will begin to paint my polka dots, and I'm using one of the larger round brushes to paint my polka dots. And I will probably go in and do a second coat on that blue. And now I'm going to go in and begin to fill in my flowers. And I'm painting this first one in hot pink, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the top one in hot pink as well. And then I'm going to go in with this lavender color and paint this one over here. And then yellow for my last flower. And now that everything's dry, I'm going to go in with the Sharpie brush stroke marker and begin to outline everything. This is my favorite step because it just really makes everything pop. And the Sharpie marker makes the steps so easy. Just again, make sure everything's dry though. You don't want to go in and do this while it's wet. And now I'm just going to go in and highlight everything with a little bit of white and a number 4 round. And after that, I will be done with my project. So as always, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.